Costco Dubai chocolate. Welcome back, everybody. Came across this world famous Dubai chocolate at Costco. It's 4 little mini cakes, so can't wait to try it. That's what the box looks like. There it is, Dubai chocolate, and it says it's a chocolate ganache with pistachio cream and butter. So let's test it out. Let's go for the big reveal here. Oh, there it is. So you get four mini cakes, and I can't lie, they look pretty good. That's the top of it. Let's see the bottom. All right, it's wrapped in this plastic. So there's only one thing left to do. Let's taste it. All right, so here's a little cake on a plate out of the box. It's a nice sized little cake. Definitely satisfies one person. I'll give you different angles of it. It's from a different side. It's from the back. What I want to do now is I'm going to slice it in half and see what it looks like on the inside. So that's what it looks like on the inside. Pretty much like the outside. Same setup. So let's go bite into it. Alright, here we go. First bite. Dubai chocolate. Costco. Big bite. Here we go. It's all right. I mean, it's chocolate and pistachio. What's not to love about it? I like chocolate. I like pistachio. You can't go wrong. It's a little heavy. Tastes really good. It's really good. I would give this 7.75 out of 10. 7.75 out of 10. Heavy chocolate flavor. Nice pistachio flavor in there. It's heavy. Good. Very satisfying. Very satisfying. And that's it for Costco Dubai chocolate cake. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.